Duh.
Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video we are writing our first Python program. To do so, go to the search box and type IDLE in the search box, and after typing it select this IDLE, and you can see that there is a pop-up window shown like this, and you can call simply it is as a Python shell or Python terminal, and I think it is not clearly visible. Let me change the font size, font color, all the things. To do so, go to the options and click on configure IDLE. Upon you can see here all the font families, and you can choose one among these which you like the most, and I will be going to choose Times New Roman because I like it. So I am selecting Times New Roman, and I will be changing the size as, let me take 34, and after selecting that you can also check this box if you want, because I am selecting this because it is clearly visible to you. And upon changing these settings, click on apply, then OK, then come back. I think now it is visible to you right now. As I told you earlier only, you will be calling this as Python shell or Python terminal, and the specialty of this terminal or shell is that whenever you write the code you will be getting output on the same window. Let me show you with an example. Write 2 plus 3, and I am writing 2 plus 3, and upon clicking enter you will be seeing output as 5 as shown here. So you can see that we have written 2 plus 3 here, and the output also shown here only. This is the specialty. And one more thing is that we can't use this whenever our Python code consists of large number of lines like 50 or 60 lines. So we can't go for it. So it will be more complex while using this. So to do so, we can create new file. How to create new file? Let me give you example. Go to the file, and upon going file you can choose new file option, and upon choosing new file you will be seen another pop-up window has been shown here, and it is named as untitled. To change the file name, go to the file option, click on save as. Upon clicking save as, I am saving this file on the desktop, and I am creating new folder called Python course, new folder, and I am naming this as Python course, and in that I will be saying my file, and I am giving the file name as first program, as this is our first program now, that's why I am giving first program, and click on save. So there is a change on the file name as we changed. So you can observe one thing, that I have written only first program in the while saving the file, but here you can see that there is a something has happened here, that is it is saved as first program.py. Means, so here you can understand that whenever we save the Python files, the interpreter will be taking as .py extension. So this is the code space, and you can write the all the code in here only. And let me give you one example. As you know earlier only that in C++ we will be using cout for the output, and in C you will be using printf, and Java you will be using system.out.println like that. So in Python also you can use print, simply print option, so that you will be displaying the output on the output screen. Let me give you example. I am typing print, and I am opening bracket and closing the bracket, and I am opening double quotes. See, this is the actual syntax of the Python to print anything on the screen. So whenever you write something in this, whenever you write something in between these two codes, that will be printed on the output screen. So I am writing, let me give hello space world. So I am written hello world. You can see it is very simple. I am just writing print and opening bracket and double quotes and closing the bracket. So Python is case sensitive, and you will not use like this. I am showing like this print or like this print. So do not use these type of print statements, because it shows the error, that is invalid. So use this type of print statement only. To run this, what to do? So go to the, move the cursor on the run, and click on run module. or you can use simply F5. So this is the first time, so I am showing all the things. So click on this run module and click on OK. So you can see that there is a output called hello world. So I think it is very simple, just writing the print and opening the bracket in the double quotes. Whatever you write, that will be going to shown in the output screen. That's it. Okay guys, I will be telling another print statement, that is we have used here on double quotes now. So let me change that also. I am writing print and using here single quotes, as you can see, and I am typing hello world and closing the bracket. Okay, you can observe that there is a small change. In the place of double quotes I have used single quotes. That's only the reason. Let's run this to check the output whether it will be working fine or not. So to run the module, you must click on the run or run module and click OK. Yeah, it is working fine. As you can see, the hello world 2 times it was printed because we use two print statement. So you can understand one thing, that so in the place of single quotes you can also use the double quotes. There is no much difference, but there is a slight one difference. I will be telling that difference in the upcoming videos, so wait for that. And I will be telling now the variations of the print statement. So hello world, and I will be writing hi and comma bye. So you can see that I will be deleting this. So you will be going to see that there is a 3 hello world, hi, bye, 3 words in the print statement, and we can call these 3 as a arguments given to the print statement. So now we have passed 3 arguments to the print statement. Let's see this output whether it will be working fine or not. So I am clicking directly F5 button. So I clicked on the F5 button. It is asking to save. Okay, click on OK. Yeah, it is working fine. It is showing that hello world, hi, bye. So whenever you want multiple words to be printed on the screen, you can use simply comma in between the arguments. So that will be going to show the output as you want. So guys, I will be telling one more thing, that is I am taking variable name as A and I am assigning to it as a string, that is intense programmer. So I want to display this as a output on the output screen. So what to do then? So we will be going to use print statement, that is print and opening the bracket, closing, and in that I am passing a variable in the double quotes. And guys, pause the video and think of the answer. If your answer is correct, you are on the correct way. If the answer is wrong, so please understand what it is now. And I am running this right now. So to run, I am directly pressing F5 button. So I am pressing F5 button and it is asking to save and OK. You will be going to see the output as it is showing A but not the intense programmer. So there is a something has happened here. So what it is happening? So you can understand that guys, we are using the variable A as a string assigned to it. So whenever you put the A into the double quotes, so it will be going to print A only. So when you remove the double quotes and run it, you can see the output as intense programmer. Let's now have a quick summary about what we have discussed till now. So firstly, we have discussed about the syntax of the print function, that is to use print function you can simply write print and open close bracket, and in that you can use the double quotes or single quotes. And second thing, if you want to print more than one word, you can use this syntax like print and double quotes comma double quotes comma double quotes you can use. And third thing, we have learned that you can use either of these, that is you can use this print function or this print function. It doesn't make any sense. So now coming to the fourth one, when you have declared a variable with some value, you should not put any quotes around it in the print function, because it will print that variable only, not the value assigned to it, because it thinks that is a variable. So let me give you example. A equal to intense program, I have assigned to the variable called a, and when I try to print the variable, when I try to print intense programmer, I am passing variable name as a and I am putting double quotes around it. So it will be thinking that a as a variable, so it will be going to print a on the output screen. So this is the wrong one. So what is the right one? So you must remove the double quotes or single quotes if you put around the variable, so it will be working fine and it will be going to display as intense programmer. Okay guys, that's all about this video, and we will be going to meet in next video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you. See you. Take care. Bye.